I hope this works. My sleep cycle is totally out of whack. I'm up all night and then dozing off during the day.
Trust me, this'll do the trick. In fact, you should be feeling more relaxed already.
I know you're right. Boys, I can hear you out there. Now be quiet. Just sit there and color.
Now is not a good time to be moving.
Right, sorry.
Just block everything out and let it go. Imagine that you're in a forest. There's a babbling brook nearby, and the wind is just coming through the trees.
Mommy?
Parker! I don't know, what you think you're doing, but put that back where it belongs. Sorry. You're saying something about wind?
I was just creating a soothing image.
Oh, for the love of God. Knock it off, you little monsters.
Mrs. Scavo, please lie down. We need to finish this.
Look, I'm on my last nerve, so I'm gonna level with you here. I've screwed up my entire system by taking my kid's ADD medication. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. I plan to stop, but right now I need to sleep, and I need more than a few crappy needles, so what do you got?
I'm not licensed to write prescriptions.
I know you're not.
This'll put you right to sleep. It's a very powerful herbal remedy. Now promise me you're going to use it judiciously.
Sure. Whatever. My sleep cycle is totally out of whack. My sleep cycle is totally out of whack. And then dozing off during the day, and then dozing off during the day.
Trust me, this'll do the trick. Trust me, this'll do the trick.
Look, I'm on my last nerve, so I'm gonna level with you here. Look, I'm on my last nerve, so I'm gonna level with you here.